Hi, this is Robin Sampson with BibleJournalLove.com and HeartOfWisdom.com. In this video, I'll give you some tips and tricks on cutting the Bible journaling stickers with a paper trimmer and a cutting machine. Here's an example of 3 pages of stickers that you get from the Proverbs 31 class in the Rebecca lesson. There are 22 lessons for each verse in Proverbs 31. Each lesson focuses on a character quality and a Bible woman exhibiting that character. So we build a traveler's notebook with the stickers as we study the lessons. Proverbs 31 is just one of the classes we offer. I also teach through the entire Bible in 12 courses called the 12 Bible eras. We start with the creation era, then the patriarchal era, then the Exodus era, etc. Those also come with several printables for each lesson and digital images if you Bible journal digitally. Each one of the lessons comes with a Bible study video with the slideshow presentation, as well as the Bible journaling digitally lessons. Whatever class you decide to take, the first thing you do is download the stickers to prepare for the class, and then you cut them out with your favorite cutting tool. I hope to do a video soon on cutting with scissors or the gyro cutter. The first thing I always do with the stickers is decide on what I'll cut with a paper trimmer. And in these 3 PDFs, the tags and the Traveler's Notebook insert would be best cut with a paper trimmer. So I do that with something called a swingline guillotine paper trimmer. Now that's a big, heavy, clunky one that I use like if I'm going to set it out and do 10 pages. But if I only do 1 page, I have a smaller one called a Fiskars that I just get out that's real lightweight, and it works really well too. I have 3 cutting machines, and my favorite is the Brothers Scan and Cut. There are 3 steps to the Brothers Scan and Cut. You send the PDF through once to be scanned. This is the machine that does the scan. Then step 2, you tell it where to touch using the touch screen. And then step 3, you send it back through again to do the actual cutting. And that's it, you're done. No hooking up to the computer. That's why I like this machine. I hope to do a video soon comparing all 3. Thank you for stopping by. If you'd like more videos like these, click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.